Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognets again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Game Pass code on your computer of your Xbox account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your Xbox Game Pass code, let's first go to the xbox.com. And after landing on the Xbox, you need to know thing that Xbox is a part of Microsoft itself. Now if you want to log into Xbox or create an account on Xbox, you will also be logging into one of the database of the Microsoft. Similarly, if you want to redeem a Game Pass codes of any kind like these, Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta, if you want to redeem these game codes or if you want to redeem these game passes on your Xbox account, you will be required to go to the redeem page of the Microsoft. To do that, let's open another tab, and on the search bar type in redeem.microsoft.com like this and hit enter. And after that, first you'll be required to log into your Microsoft account or your Xbox account. For me to be this one, and let's log in. Same with password, enter your password over here, click on sign in and let's click on no. And after that, you will be redirected to the redeem page of Microsoft account itself or your Xbox main primary account. And after you land over here, you can see the redeem your code or gift card over here. And if you want to redeem the Game Pass of the Xbox Live Gold or Cloud Gaming or much more games on Xbox itself, then you'll be required to enter the passcode of the game which you want to redeem over here. After receiving it from email or your gift cards, anything, after receiving it, enter your 25 character code over here and click on next. And on the next step, you will be required to enter your mailing address, and after that click on continue. Then the game will be available on your Xbox account as well. Then you'll have redeemed your Game Pass code on your Xbox or your Microsoft account. And there, guys, this is how you redeem your Xbox Game Pass code on Microsoft. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.